आपको इस्लामाबाद लिए चलेंगे, जहां निगरान वज़ीर सेहत नदीम जान मीडिया से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं।
The first incinerator of its kind, which will take care of the hospital waste. You might know that currently Islamabad excretes 5,000 kg of hospital waste. Our capacity is not at that level. This incinerator would take care of at least 1,000 kg of hospital waste per day, but we still need a couple of more like this. So we look forward to the cooperation of every interested party who want to enter into a partnership with us, so that we take care of the whole waste management in the most scientific manner. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody is witness to the negative impact of climate change that Pakistan has witnessed. We saw it in 20 the floods and 22 the Babylonic floods, and the aftermath are just giving us goosebumps. Ladies and gentlemen, we as a health professional have a role to mitigate the impact of climate change and ensure a clean and healthy environment for our population. Health, environmental protection, and climate change, they all work in the linear synergy, both in the adverse effects as well as the positive one. So if health is strengthened, it will be enabled to better respond to the aftermath of climate change and environmental hazards. Similarly, if our climate change readiness and mitigation ensures standards and develop the mechanism to be better prepared for any aftermath, we will have a positive impact on the health and the environment. Climate change can be a disruptor to the health system. It can be a catalyst to the diseases. And it is a basic determinant of the health outcomes of the society. So, with better coordination and taking a broader one view of health, we can ensure better outcomes of health sector. Because health, as you all know, is not only the health ministry job. We are going from a verticality to integration. We are moving from fragmented approach towards one health. We are moving from silos to collaboration. We are moving from cost ineffectiveness to cost effectiveness. So this, when I took charge and I knew about the programs and the impact of the programs, I could see that we did not create the desired impact as was envisaged because of these lacunae in the system. Programs were run vertically. There was poor coordination and collaboration. The interventions are cost ineffective. There is no innovation in the system. So we'll move from stereotyping into innovations, because resources are not enough to match the needs of the hour. So we will ensure the best utilization of those resources whichever is available to us, and even if other resources are pumped into the system, that will be utilized transparently, efficiently, and effectively, with due accountability to the public and the donors and the international community as well. We have designed now a system that will be more robust, sensitive to the needs of the population, will be accountable to the population, and all processes would be implemented in the most transparent manner. We have designed now a system of digitalization of the health ministry. At the federal level, some success has been already implemented in that domain, and our data system IDMIS that takes care of almost all the vertical diseases, and the IDSR is another big contribution towards that. But we would like this system to be implemented right at the BHU level in the digitalized manner. So in the BHU level, the health center level, the data, instead of these registers manually, it will be transformed into a digitalized network. Analysis will happen at this facility level. We will build the capacity of the health system at the BHU level. We will equip them. There is a plan for it. And then the same data set will go digitally to the districts, and from districts to province. We already have a system for that. And the
इस्लामाबाद में निगरान विफाकी वज़ीर सेहत इस वक्त मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करें।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।